Welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Session. So today I already created one video on INB network. What is INB network? What is AI net marketing? So now I'm showing you how we can earn from this website and how we can share $50 gift certificate to our downline and so many things in it. So I'm showing you my ID. So this is my mail ID and I'm giving a password here. Okay, so here I'm not a robot. Click on captcha and just click on login. After that we have this screen where we can see so many options: AI marketing, how to earn, market, business chats, assets, partners, invite, vote. So many things we can see. So if we click on how to earn, we can know how we can earn from INB network, what is your marketing model, and how can I earn, what are NBO and PRTN assets. So these are the things. Okay, and how we earn by build a network. Okay, so these are the options. So if we are partner, we are on starting level, we are a partner, so we will get from downline 5%. If in our downline somebody invested $10, then still we get 5%. If our level increases and our downline spends $4,096, then our level will be 6%. So these are the things we will get this bonus. So many things in it we can learn from the website. How the referral income is calculated, how our referral income will calculated, agent, if we are in a agent level, income is 5%, then VIP agent 7%, manager 9%, VIP director income 15%, VIP director income 15%. So this is the level of referral income. Okay, so this is the overview of the website. Not much, I'm not telling much about it, so you can check from website and learn about it. So I'm going to AI marketing, where we have a actual need, where we can earn. AI marketing is a artificial intelligence marketing, where robot is work for you and a robot will give you a profit from their selling. Okay, so how much robot spent and how much we earned, we can see here. So this is the page we can see in Russian language. For change the language, we click on RU. Okay, so we can see so many options of languages. So our main language is English, so we can we click on English and then we can see a English page for us. Then click on sign in or sign up. We already sign up, so we click on sign in and click on blue wait, I'm showing you which options we have to click. Click on sign in. Then we have 4 options. First option is look like a brain and it is in blue. Just click on it. After that we have this screen. Again I am in login here with my password and click on I'm not a robot, then login it. After login AI marketing page, so we can see a card. That is my card. I will show you my card. So you can see my card here. Here is my card. My name is Sumita Maji and my pending balance is 42.55 which I earned, but we will get a payment after 30 days. Okay. So my robot, here is my robot. Here is my robot. Okay. This is my earning chart. And my robot status is at work. My robot status is at work means my robot is active to doing his work. Okay. And this is my cashback, $42.55, and my advertising budget is $25. I invested here $200 and $50 is given by a company. Okay, first for starting this work. And my profit I can see 17.02%. So what product my robot sold in how many days, how I get a cashback, how I get a profit, so everything I can show you. So in this card we can share the last 4-digit numbers to our downline for get a $50 gift certificate. Okay, this one we can give to our downline, for which they also can earn, they start earn. Okay, we cannot use it for our personal use, we can give it. Okay, and after that we go to cashback. Okay, we go to cashback, we can give gift certificate of $50. That is the link to give a $50 certificate to our downline. Okay, so now for top up we click on top up. How much I can how much I want to top up it. Is it a $200 or $250 or $1,000? Okay, whatever I want to top up here to active my robot. So I can select a method which can be a Visa, MasterCard, Mastro, Milk Card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20, USDT means perfect money pair. You can use any options from here to top up your balance, to active your robot. Okay, so so I am showing you my stats. Okay, so you can see some overview of how much visitors. So you can see 163 views and 83 visitors, 20 sales, 20 things sold in 1 2 3 4 4 days, 20 items sold, and amount spent by robot is just $26.77. Means in $25 only use $26.77 and I get $42.55. Means 17.02 profit I had already got from $250. Okay, now we go to sales. What items is sold by my robot we can see here in sales. Sorry, something is wrong. Date of sale. Here we can see cashback shopping, offline shopping. Is it not showing here right now? Maybe some website fault. But we can see here what item sold. Okay, stats. We go to stats. Items also showing us. refresh the page. Just a moment. Now you all can see what items sold by my robot and from which website. Okay, so you can see today date is 4/7/2021, 4 July. Here sale amount is 124 and cashback rate is 6% and your cashback is $4.09, deduction $3.35. So I will get that amount in 76 days. Okay, some is 30 days, some is 60 days, some is 39 days, some is 22 days. That is the limit. If any customer return the product, that can be deducted. Okay, if customer is not returned that amount, I will get total amount same as showing me. Okay, so you can see that is the process of getting the amount. So I have 2 pages. Yep, Walmart, we can see, Go2C, the all are known. Even Domino's Pizza is also showing here. If somebody buy a pizza, we also get a amount. Okay, so that is the quality of the website and it's very genuine. And if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please try to watch the full video to learn about earnings, okay, and knowledge. And I will give you my referral link from where you get $50 for free. After that, if you want to active your robot, you can top up it. Okay, so in my description you will get a every code. How to do it, you can get the previous video how to register, so that can be helpful for you. So bye bye, we will meet in our next video. So hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Bye.